Video of Mount Eruption shows lava thrown into the night sky. Sicily's famous Mount Etna erupted on Sunday, spewing lava and ash clouds thousands of feet into the sky. Slow-motion footage of the dramatic eruption was captured by photographer Emilio Filadelfo Messina, showing the volcano's shower of molten lava lighting up the night sky. Mount Etna is one of Europe's largest active volcanoes, with a peak height of more than 11,000 feet. Only Mount Etna in Tenerife, Spain, surpasses it in the entire Europe-North Africa region west of the Black Sea. Etna is one of the world's most active volcanoes, according to the European Space Agency, and its activity is almost constant. This volcano is located on the east coast of Sicily in Italy between the cities of Messina and Catania, the second largest city on the island. The mountain has been erupting for years, with the earliest reports dating back to 1500 BC, according to the Smithsonian Institute. Etna eruptions rarely result in fatalities, although one major incident in 1843 resulted in 56 deaths, according to Volcano Live. However, the volcano is known to cause destructive earthquakes, with one in 2018 injuring at least 28 people and damaging homes and infrastructure in the surrounding area. Since early October, Italy's National Institute of Geophysics and Volcanology has been observing signs of eruptive activity originating from Mount Etna. This comes after an eruption in August forced Catania Airport to close due to thick clouds of volcanic ash covering the area. Volcanic ash poses a serious risk to aircraft, but not just because of poor visibility. Ash particles can damage windshields and compressor fan blades and can cause failure of critical navigation and operational instruments. These particles can also be sucked into aircraft engines, melting and re-solidifying into lumps that can reduce their performance. Sunday's eruption also resulted in a code red warning for flights from the National Institute of Geophysics and Volcanology in Italy and has sent clouds of ash over the nearby towns of Milo and Zafferana Etnia. Etna isn't the only volcanic concern on the continent. Iceland recently declared a state of emergency in anticipation of volcanic activity in and around the Reykjanes Peninsula, a region to the southwest. The entire town of Grindavik was evacuated on Saturday, and the Icelandic Meteorological Office has reported around 900 earthquakes in the region since midnight on Monday.